Hello guys, my name is Kevin Chikizi. I'm a uiux designer. So today we're going to look into how to create this interaction right here. So I actually posted this on LinkedIn and some persons reached out to me and requested that I create a tutorial so that they will be able to achieve this interaction using Figma variable. So we're going to look into that. So let's get started. Let me close this. So I'm going to undo what I've done so that we will start from scratch. So let me start from this. Let me detach all the variables, detach them, detach this, and also detach this phone. Detach this, detach this, detach this. Then for the pants, let me also detach it. Detach the variable, detach this. For these colors, let me detach them. Yeah. Am I missing any other thing? Don't think so. I think I've detached all of them. Is there any other thing I'm missing? I think it's done. So let me go to the prototype, no, the local variables, and take all of this out. Take all of this out. Then for the prototype, let me still take them out. Take them out. Take this out. Take this out. Take this out. And also take this out. So we are starting from scratch. First of all, you should know that this illustration was created by me, and yeah, for you to achieve this you need to use an editable illustration. If it's not editable, there's no way you can achieve this interaction. So you need an editable illustration. It's either you create illustration yourself or visit some of these websites that offers editable illustration that you can use for this interaction. So what we are going to do now is to save these colors. Save this purple, pink, gold and black on our local variables. So let's go here. So as you can see, we have local variables, we have local styles. Please don't click on local styles, click on local variables. Click on this, then you see an empty canvas. This is an empty canvas. This is where we're going to store all of these colors. Let's click on create variable. You see color, you see number, you see string, you see boolean. We are focusing on color, so let me click on color. So let's pick this color. Let me use the eyedropper tool to pick this purple, then save the name as purple. Then let me duplicate, right click, duplicate variable, the eyedropper tool. Let's pick pink, also give it pink as name, pink. Also duplicate, pick the gold color, also give it gold as name. duplicate, pick the which other color, the black color, then give it black as name. I think that's the 4 colors, 1 2 3 and 4. Yeah, that's the 4 colors. Once we are done creating this, the next thing is to attach this color to the color variables we created. So what I'll do is to come here, click on this, give it the purple, come here, attach the pink, come here, attach the gold. Same thing applies here, attach the pink, attach the gold, and attach the purple. Come here, attach the purple, attach the gold, and attach the black. So we are done with this. We are done with these buttons. The next thing we'll move to is the active clothes or the active colors that is on this illustration. We have the white, we have the blue, and also we have the sky blue. So these are the active colors on this illustration. We have to save the colors. It's very much important. Also, you notice that the color I used for this illustration here, the white, the blue, and the sky blue, is still the same as this tiny illustration here. You see the white, you see the blue, blue and sky blue. So we're going to create 3 more colors. So let's go to the local variables, click on create variable color. Let's pick this white with eyedropper tool, then save it as white. Also duplicate, then pick this blue, save it as blue. Also duplicate, pick the sky blue, that's the shoe, with eyedropper tool, the shoe, and let's give it light blue. Yeah, then let's attach this color we save now to this illustration. Let's attach the colors. Please don't forget to attach the color. If you don't attach the colors, it's not going to work. So let's attach this white to the white variable we created, white. Then for this blue, let's attach the blue, the main blue, not this light blue. For this, let's attach the blue. Then for the shoe, let's attach the sky blue. Let's look for the sky blue. This is it. Attach the light blue, or you call it sky blue. So you can give it any name actually, so the name doesn't matter. If you don't want to call it turquoise blue, you can call it turquoise blue, it doesn't matter. So let's attach the sky blue. Also for this small phone here, this is my phone. This is how my phone looks like. So let me attach the main blue. Then for this tiny illustration here, for the white, let me attach the white here. Then for this blue here, let me attach the main blue. Then for the pants, let me attach the blue. Then for the shoe, that's the sky blue. Cut it here. I keep calling it sky blue. I saved it as light blue, please. So I've attached the light blue. So I'm done attaching all the colors. So let me be sure I'm done attaching all the colors. Let's move to prototype, the interesting part. So you move from design as the top tab here to prototype. Then let's start with this button, this purple button. Then once you move to prototype, you see interactions. Click on this plus icon here, click on it, add, then leave it at the default. So the default is on click. Please don't change it to drag or hover. Please leave it at the default, which is on click. Then what action do you want it to perform? Right, once a user clicks on this purple, what action do you want this button to perform? We want this button to kind of select a variable. And what variable is that? We want this button to select white, which is what this lady is wearing. Remember, we are working on this, we are working on the top, right? You're working on the top. That's what we have here, working on the top. So we want this button to select the white. And what do we want the white to do? We want this white to turn to purple. We want this white to turn to purple. I don't know why it's not picking it. Come on, select this purple. I think I need to close this and open it again. Let me close this now. Okay, we want this white to turn to purple. I don't know why it's not picking it. Is it my network? Okay, let me just pick this. Let me pick this here. So I still have the colors here. So we want this white to turn to purple. So that's just it. Then for this pink, you click interactions, trigger, on click, action. We want to set a variable. Which variable? We want this white, which is what the lady is wearing, to turn to pink. To turn to pink. See, to turn to pink. It's as easy as that. Then let's go to gold. You still go to interactions, leave it at the default, which is on click, action. We want to set a variable. What we want to get, we want to set a variable which is the white. What do we want to turn the white to? We want to turn this white to gold whenever a user clicks this golden button, right? So let's still go to this. Then for the pants, remember the pants is blue. So let's go to interactions, on click, action. We want to set a variable. Which variable is that? We want to set the blue, which is this pant. We want to turn it to pink whenever a user clicks on this pink button. Then for the gold, let's set interaction, on click, action. We want to set a variable. What variable? We want this blue, which is the pant color, to change to which color? To gold. Then for the purple, interaction, on click, what's the action? We want to set a variable. What variable? We want this blue to turn to purple. Then for this one, remember the shoe is light blue, or you call it sky blue, right? So I saved it as light blue. And let's click on this interaction, on click, action. We want to set a variable. Remember, we have set variable mode and set variable. Please don't click set variable mode. It's set variable, please. Then set variable. Which variable is that? Or what's the target? So the target is this light blue. We are targeting this light blue. And why are we targeting this light blue? Or what do we want this light blue to achieve? We want this light blue to turn to purple. It's not coming up. Since I started hanging again. Let me still pick it from here. We want this light blue to turn to purple. Then let's still go to gold. Action. We want to set a variable. What's the variable? The variable is the sky blue or the light blue. So I keep calling sky blue. Then want to change this light blue to gold. Want to change it to gold. Then let's move to black. Want to set an interaction. On click action. What action do we want to perform? We want to set a variable. What are we targeting? We are targeting this sky blue. And what do we want to change it to? We want to change the sky blue to black. That's simple, very simple. So let me check all of this to make sure that we are actually correct. So yeah, y2, yeah, so I'm just going through it to make sure that everything is correct. Yeah, so let's try it out and see how it's going to come up. Have I saved this? Yeah, so let's try it out and see how it's going to come up. Then shift and space, let's click on purple. You see it have changed to purple. Let's click on pink, it have changed to pink. Let's click on gold, it have changed to gold. You see the top have changed to gold. Then for the pants, let's click on pink, it have changed to pink, gold, purple. Then for the shoe, let's click on purple, gold and black. You see, it's as easy as that. It's much more easier to use Figma variable than the normal prototype. So if you have any question you need to ask, you can actually reach out to me and I'll answer you. So just search for Kevin Chikezie on LinkedIn. You will see me. Look at this icon here. When you search for Kevin Chikezie and see this profile avatar, right? That's me. Add me on LinkedIn and ask me any question you want to ask. I'll answer you. Or if there's anything that is actually confusing you, you can just ask me. I'll be able to help out. So thank you and see you next time.